Hi there, in this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can import emails from another webmail account to Zoho Mail. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along even if your screen looks different. So before starting, make sure that you have the login credentials for your old email account, and this will help you consolidate all your emails in Zoho Mail. So after you log into your Zoho Mail, you will go to your settings, and then you will basically just have to search for import, export, or just import emails. So just search for that, and it should be somewhere right here. So once you see the import export emails feature, what you will have to do is click import emails, and then you will select other email account, and then you will basically just have to uh, choose IMAP or POP3, and after that you will enter your old email account credentials and server settings, and then you will select folders to import, and then you will just have to click start import, and then or browse for EML or zip file, and then you will just have to finally wait for the process to complete and then check Zoho Mail for imported emails. And that's basically just it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you, and if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.